Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. In this video we are going to see cloud associate role from Amazon started their hiring. I am going to explain fully, so watch the video till end. If you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. I will clear all your doubt. So it is one of the toppest MNC in the world in a product based service company started their hiring for cloud associate. The key skill will be if you have done any cloud certification, you can start applying with your resume directly in the company website only. Don't go for any agencies. Amazon don't go for any agencies. So if they told to pay any amount, they are going to cheat you. So this is the disclaimer I am explaining to you. Why? Because at the starting itself, so many candidates skipping the video, you may get you are missing the good things and looking for a bad things only. So only I am just showing before itself. Don't pay for any company while applying. If you are applying means you are going to pay in their own company website with affiliate knowledge or affiliate provided things only. Apart from that, you should not pay. So they are mentioned in the disclaimer itself. So don't worry. This is for basic qualification 0 to 1 year experience in Linux, Windows, Mac, and the bachelor in CSIT, EC, EEE or MSc. Troubleshooting, support exercise, scripting knowledge in Java, Perl. Preferred to qualification basic in concept, Linux concept, ONS, Kubernetes, Center, Red Hat, Solaria, basic strong knowledge in networking, TTCP, database, strong computer focus and multiple tasking skill, explore of cloud computing, understanding the good communication, Python, Java, Ruby, C language. This is all the key skill they are understanding. And the response every day will bringing exciting challenge on the job value. They are going to conduct so many advantage in future. So only they are mentioned their responsibilities for students, those who are looking for a good and fast learners they are looking. So apply as much quickly. If you have any doubt while filling the form, comment me in the comment section. So while applying, you should keep your PAN card. You are going to apply with your PAN card, so keep it with you. You are going to apply in their company website only, and start apply here and apply it now. You may get a exam link. After selection, keep on message I am selected. It will be heart touching for me. So thanks for watching this guy.